everyone, and welcome back to Learning English is Easy, the podcast where learning English is fun and simple. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. Hi, everyone. It's great to be here again with you.
How are you today, Tom?
I'm great, thanks. Feeling positive and ready to talk. And you?
I'm good too. I'm excited about today's topic because it's one of the most important things in English.
Oh, really? What is it?
Today, we're going to learn how to introduce yourself with confidence.
Ah, yes, that's a great topic. Everyone needs to introduce themselves at school, at work, in an interview, when meeting new people.
Exactly. It's one of the first things you learn in English, but many people still feel shy or nervous when they have to do it.
Yes, that's true, but don't worry. After today's episode, you'll be ready to introduce yourself anywhere, anytime.
That's right. We'll go step by step, name, job, city, hobbies, and give you lots of examples.
Perfect. Let's get started. But before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel Learning English is Easy so you don't miss any new lessons. And if you're enjoying our podcast, give us a like and share this episode with your friends who are learning English. It really helps our channel grow.
Thank you so much for your support. Now, let's begin. So, first, when you meet someone new, what do you say?
Easy. Hello, my name is Tom.
Exactly. That's the classic line. You can also say, "Hi, I'm Tom."
Yes, both are good. Hello, my name is a little more formal. Hi, I'm is more casual.
You can also add a friendly phrase after your name. For example, "Hello, my name is Anna. Nice to meet you." "Hi, I'm Tom. It's great to meet you."
That's a nice touch. Always smile when you say it. Smiling makes you look confident and friendly.
Yes, body language is part of communication too.
So repeat after us, everyone. Hello, my name is. Nice to meet you.
Great. Very simple, but powerful. Okay, step two. Talk about what you do.
Okay, that means your job, or if you're a student, what you study.
You can say, "I'm a teacher. I'm a doctor. I'm a student. I'm an engineer."
Or if you don't want to say your exact job, you can say, I work in education. I work in a hospital. I work in a bank. I work in IT.
Nice. I work in is very useful when you want to keep it general.
And if you're between jobs, that's okay too. You can say, I'm looking for a new job. Or, I'm between jobs right now.
That's polite and positive.
And if you're retired, you can say, I'm retired, but I like to stay active.
Great. Let's practice a few examples. "Hi, I'm Anna. I'm a teacher."
Nice to meet you, Anna. I'm Tom. I work in marketing.
"Marketing." That sounds interesting.
It is. I help companies promote their products.
That's a good way to describe your job, short and clear.
Now, let's try with a student.
Okay. "Hi, I'm Mia. I'm a student. I study English and business at university."
Perfect. You can add what you study. It helps continue the conversation.
And one more. "Hi, I'm Carlos. I'm a chef. I work in a small Italian restaurant in Paris."
That's great. Job plus place equals complete sentence.
Yes, it sounds natural and confident.
The next part of your introduction is your city or country.
Right. People love to know where you're from.
You can say, I'm from France. I'm from Brazil. I'm from Japan.
And if you live somewhere different from your home country, you can say, "I'm from Spain, but I live in London." "I'm from Korea, but I live in Canada."
Yes, that's a great way to share a little more about yourself.
Let's show some examples. "Hi, I'm Anna. I'm from Germany, but I live in Barcelona."
Oh, wow, Barcelona. That's a beautiful city.
Yes, it is. Lots of sunshine and good food.
My turn. Hi, I'm Tom. I'm from the UK, but I live in Lisbon now.
Lisbon. Do you like it there?
Yes, very much. The people are friendly and the food is amazing.
Sounds perfect.
You can also say the city only, I live in New York, or I live near Paris.
And if it's a small place, you can say, I live in a small town near Milan.
That's great practice for speaking naturally.
Now comes my favorite part hobbies.
Yes, hobbies make introductions fun and personal.
You can say, in my free time, I enjoy, my hobbies are.
For example, in my free time, I like reading and cooking. I enjoy playing football and watching movies. My hobbies are traveling and photography.
Perfect. And you can add one sentence to give more information.
Like this, I enjoy reading. My favorite books are adventure stories.
Or, I love cooking. I often make Italian food for my friends.
That sounds delicious.
Yes, food is always a good topic.
Let's make a full introduction now.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Tom. I'm from the UK, but I live in Portugal. I work in marketing, and in my free time, I enjoy surfing and taking photos.
That's perfect. It's simple, clear, and complete.
Thank you. Your turn, Anna.
Hi, I'm Anna. I'm from Germany and I live in Spain. I'm a teacher and I love reading and hiking in the mountains.
Beautiful. That's a confident self introduction.
Now, Tom, many students tell me I know the words, but I feel nervous.
Yes, I hear that too. They worry about mistakes or pronunciation.
Exactly. But here's the secret confidence is more important than perfection.
100% true. When you smile, speak slowly, and look at the person, you already sound confident.
Yes. And if you make a mistake, it's okay. People understand.
You can even say something like, Sorry, my English is not perfect, but I'm learning.
That's a wonderful sentence. Polite and confident.
Let's repeat that together. My English is not perfect, but I'm learning. I'm improving every day.
Excellent.
Also, don't forget to breathe.
Yes, that helps a lot. Let's put everything together now.
Okay. A self introduction usually follows this structure: greeting and name, job, or what you do, city or country, hobbies or interests, optional closing sentence.
Yes. Let's show some examples for different situations.
Good morning, my name is Tom. I'm from London and I work in marketing. I have over 5 years of experience helping small businesses grow. In my free time, I enjoy photography and traveling.
Perfect balance, professional and friendly. Hi, everyone. My name is Anna. I'm from Germany. I'm a teacher, but I'm here to practice my English. I love reading, cooking, and meeting new people.
Nice and simple. Hey, I'm Tom. I'm from the UK. I live in Lisbon now. I work in marketing and love surfing. How about you?
That's great. Always end with a question. It keeps the conversation going.
Exactly. How about you? Or what about you? Are great ways to continue talking.
Let's share some more expressions for self introduction.
Good idea. Here are a few. Let me introduce myself. I'm happy to be here today. I come from a small town near. I'm interested in. I'm passionate about.
For example, I'm passionate about teaching and helping people learn new languages.
Or I'm interested in technology and digital marketing.
You can also add adjectives to show personality. I'm friendly, open minded, and hardworking.
That's very natural in interviews or group introductions.
And if you're shy, you can say, I'm a little shy, but I like meeting new people.
Yes, that's honest and positive.
Let's practice, Tom. I'll ask you questions and you answer. Ready?
Ready?
What's your name?
My name is Tom.
Where are you from?
I'm from the United Kingdom.
What do you do?
I work in marketing.
Where do you live now?
I live in Lisbon, Portugal.
What are your hobbies?
I like surfing, taking photos, and cooking.
Excellent.
Okay, my turn to ask you.
Let's go.
What's your name?
My name is Anna.
Where are you from?
I'm from Germany.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
What do you do in your free time?
I like hiking, reading, and trying new recipes.
Great! See, everyone, this is how easy it can be.
Yes, you just need to practice speaking out loud.
Let's give our listeners some extra tips to sound natural when introducing themselves.
Sure. Tip number one, use contractions.
Yes, instead of saying, I am Tom, say, I'm Tom. Instead of, I am from Spain, say, I'm from Spain.
It sounds smoother and more natural.
Tip number 2, add emotion. Don't speak like a robot.
Right. Say it with energy. Hi, I'm Anna. I'm from Germany.
Tip number 3, use hand gestures and eye contact.
Yes. When you talk to people, show confidence with your body language.
And tip number 4, listen to the other person.
True. Communication is two-way. When someone introduces themselves, listen carefully and respond.
For example, oh, you're from Italy. That's great. You work in design? That sounds interesting.
That's how real conversation starts.
Now it's summarize everything for our listeners.
Great idea.
The perfect self-introduction has 5 parts. Greeting plus name. Hi, I'm Tom. Job or what you do. I work in marketing. City or country. I'm from the UK, but I live in Lisbon. Hobbies or interests. I love surfing and photography. Closings or question. Nice to meet you. What about you?
Excellent summary. You can practice each part alone and then put them together.
And remember, short, clear sentences are best.
Yes, you don't need to speak fast or use big words. Simple English is powerful.
That's the secret.
So, here's our challenge for today.
Ooh, a challenge.
Yes, after listening to this episode, record yourself saying your self introduction.
Good idea. Use your phone, talk for 1 minute, and say your name, city, job, and hobbies.
Then listen to your voice. You might feel shy, but it helps a lot.
And do it again after 1 week. You'll hear your progress.
Exactly. Practice makes confidence.
Here's something important. When you introduce yourself in English, you don't need to shake hands in every country.
Right. In the US or UK, shaking hands is common. In other countries, just smiling and saying hello is enough.
And be careful with personal questions. Don't ask about age or salary in your first conversation.
Yes, that's not polite in English culture. Keep it simple. Name, job, hobbies, travel, food, friendly topics. Exactly. Okay, Tom. I think our listeners are ready to introduce themselves confidently now.
Yes, they know the words, the structure, and the secret. Be confident and smile.
That's right. Everyone can do it.
So, to all our listeners, practice your self introduction today. Write it, say it, repeat it, and believe in yourself.
And tell us in the comments, how would you introduce yourself in English?
We'd love to read your answers.
And don't forget to subscribe to Learning English is Easy for more friendly English conversations.
Yes, and share this episode with your friends who are learning English too.
Thank you all so much for listening
Until next time, keep practicing.
and keep smiling.
Bye, everyone.
Bye bye.